I kill my friend, dog. I am here, man. God bro, the neck and broke thunder, man. I hear that.
Yeah, much police have been in your pussy. Remember, God. Remember. Talk to boy, Baba. You are murder your pussy. Crooks never dead to some crooks never dead, pussy.
Dog, a lie. No boy, me dog. You hear that?
So you know. Yeah. I try to be a police if I don't kill you now, man. I don't want to get a shoot out.
Uno hear that, my viewers? The crash dummy, them a beat up and a set up themselves. Uno no see say the youth them have today now have no sense. Eh? You say you go make step. You say you go do things. And you dep on camera chat off your mouth and a do the blue pins. My people, how long now Naya drop on him face? Eh? You notice enough of them boy a capper. Them nah do nothing. Cause Bobo did there Naya funeral, you know. And you hear them a chat off them mouth and a talk about who true police did dead. Brother, that for sure no say uno no bill for this. Uno no ready for this yet. Low badness, brother. Cause enough of uno no ready yet, you know. Uno dey even make a step yet. And uno dey on camera incriminate on yourself. But you see what me get for understand? A clout no for uno look off a Naya name, you know. I look woman off a Naya name, you know. And I look fame off a Naya name, you know. Cause when me say, uno, where they are all up and know the story go. Uno know who do this. Uno know who set up Naya. Uno know who squeeze the trigger. And every other day and every month we so now do. One bag of chatting. Chat about this and that. Till see it you know. Uno there Naya funeral. I run off on no mouth. And I make one bag of speech. Get to youth. Certain things not worth it. They hear that. And you see real G's out there. When them a go do things, them do things. Them not have no time for them on camera and I do the one bag of chattings and the blue pins. So see them viewers. They crash dummy them. I beat up themselves. I tell the world what them a go do to Bobo. And Bobo did there a Naya funeral. And when them see Bobo, what them do to Bobo a Naya funeral? Nothing more than premense and chat off them mouth and talk about if police never this and if police never that. Youth, better on keep on yourself quiet. Cause no for no bill for this. Sad for see where reach Naya, but you see the ghetto them full up a big corruption. And the moment you start rise, or you try do a little thing for better yourself in a life, all type of people are pre you. All type of people are hold you back. So see it there, Naya dead and gone months now. And the man them are the persons them who do this. You think them they far? You think them run away? Them still in the place. Some of them did all their Naya set up. Friday night we gone. Some of them attend all Naya funeral. That for sure you how enough of them people are boy are wicked. You never know how so them stay. A man would want to see a drop and stand up in front of you and know say him want to see a drop and I play like him cool with you. That is how the people them boy are evil. Them nana heart in a them. All when them have heart. So hear them viewers a plan up. Say what them a go do to Bobo. This and that. When at the end of the day, nothing them nah go do. Boy does a chat pan camera for get clout. Boy does a chat pan camera for people hear them. For them feel like say them a wicked man. And like them a go defend back Naya thing. When deep down inside, none of them nah do a thing me a tell you no more people. You hear that? This is Jamaica, you know. We are the biggest idiot and the biggest waste man them boy. You buck them a road. You can't tell them say them a no killer. You can't tell them say them a no bad man. Cause they talk them with them having a them mouth. You'd a feel like say them dopey 50 million people. Some of viewers, wanna stay safe out there. Protect on 3 points a road. Until next time, you see me?
I kill my friend, dog. I am here, man. God bro, the neck and broke thunder, man. I hear that.
Yeah, much police have been in your pussy. Remember, God. Remember. Talk to boy, Baba. You are murder your pussy. Crooks never dead to some crooks never dead, pussy.